And the thing is, it actually gives hope as well. So, I mean, nobody knows whether the trial will work or not, but the hope that it gives the participant for the time that they're on it and leading up to it is worth its weight in gold as well, because everybody needs a bit of hope. So that in itself has been worthwhile.
You'll feel better in yourself when you're doing it.
Yeah.
My name's David, and I'm participating in the Ferret trial.
David was diagnosed in May 23. We'd noticed some changes sort of a year or so before that. He was starting to struggle with some of his speech.
I end up slurring my words, and I don't see correctly, and I swallow incorrectly, and my balance is skewed with.
And he had been falling over, so we started to notice some change in his eye movement. So we went directly to a neurologist who got the diagnosis straight away. When he was diagnosed, was very determined that he wasn't just going to
roll over and die.
Roll over and die. So he started Googling and made inquiries all over the world, and then found out about this particular trial and actually contacted Dr. Ghosh directly. So there was the pre-screening, so David had to pass the pre-screening. One of the criteria was blood pressure, and David gets a bit of white coat syndrome, so he'd had a bit of an elevated reading one time. So when we came back the next time and it was well within the range, that was the final tick in the box. And literally they were dancing around the room, and then they started sending out messages to the group to say he's passed the criteria. So we just feel like everybody's been behind us on it. So no, it's been lovely. And this is our second visit today. So there's up to 8 in-person visits, and then we have telephone visits as well. And we have to do a daily diary to record that we've taken the tablets, any falls and bits and pieces. So, but it's all mapped out for us. We know exactly when we need to be here and what needs to be done. It's been very clearly spelt out to us.
It's been very good, very good. They've explained everything.
Yeah, very, very clear instructions on what to do, and they've talked us through and answered any questions that we've had. So we've been very impressed with everybody involved.
They've all been very professional. The people are lovely. They can't do enough for you, can they?
No, really helpful, and as I say, very, very clear about what's going to be happening. So we've got no concerns at all. So just a very well organised situation. Part of it, and to help hopefully not just David but other people in the future as well. We'd like to think that it might slow down the progression of the disease.
Or stop it dead.
Or stop it. And we're hoping that we might see some improvement in his sight and in his balance. That would be a great outcome for us.
And we also want to help everybody else with it, because it's a bloody past everyone wants to have. Take part in it, but please, they need all the help they can get. The more the merrier.
And the thing is, it actually gives hope as well. So, I mean, nobody knows whether the trial will work or not, but the hope that it gives the participant for the time that they're on it and leading up to it is worth its weight in gold as well, because everybody needs a bit of hope. So that in itself has been worthwhile.
You'll feel better in yourself when you're doing it.
Yeah.